Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. In this video, we will talk about enumerations in C#. What is an enumeration? An enumeration will allow us to group several constants in order to make the reading of our code easier. Let's imagine now that we want to define values that will correspond to a day of the week. So it will be const int Monday is equal to 1, const int Tuesday is equal to 2, etc. By processing this way, this can become very long and overload our code. The enumeration will allow us to avoid this. To create an enum, it's very simple. Go outside the main method, type enum in the class program and name it. Since we are talking about the days of the week, I will write weekdays and open the braces, put the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. until Sunday. And now we have created an enumeration. Every constant defined in the enumerations starts at 0 by default, and the enumeration default type is int. But we can specify the type by typing here, int short, etc. Indeed, it's up to you. You can choose the one you want. But here it is not mandatory because it is a default int. Enumerations make our life easier. No need to write const int and initialize our constants every time. Everything is done automatically. On the other hand, if you want us to start with 1 instead of 0, you can type =1 on the first constant, and what's left will be incremented by 1 with each new constant. It is also possible to assign the same value to several constants. For example, if our program returns errors, we can classify certain errors at an equal severity level. For example, we have several errors that are different but have the same severity level, so we will assign them the same value. So go to the main method now and add the weekdays variable. Then we will name day, for example, and tuple the constant of the enumeration, fill in its type, weekdays, dot, and the constant you want to retrieve. For the day Monday, for example, type console.writeLine and put the day variable in parentheses. If you run the program, Monday will be displayed, and if you want to retrieve the Monday value, a new notion before the day variable in the console.writeLine. Put an int in parentheses, and if we replace Monday by Saturday, for example, we'll have the value 6. Here is a way to get the enumeration constant value. In this video, I mentioned all the main points about enumerations. In the next courses, we will go into more detail with advanced notions. In the next video, I'll give you a very simple exercise to practice the notion of enumeration. Let's go, see you soon.